What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. First off, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P TV. And in this video, this is my Pipefitter apprenticeship update. I'm on day 88 of my apprenticeship. And what is there to update? Not really much going on right now, since it's kind of like Christmas, that time of year where it's kind of slow, you know, from Christmas to like New Year's. And then I think things will kind of pick back up once, you know, first of the year comes around. But not really much going on right now on my end, in terms of we're just doing maintenance stuff around the plant that I'm working at right now. I can't really go into too many details about where I work and stuff, because, you know, I don't want to get into confidentiality and all that stuff. But not really much going on. Just maintenance stuff that we're doing. And I guess once the first of the year comes around, it'll pick back up, but not really much going on. And around this time of year, I was told this is kind of where you want to kind of prepare for not really being laid off, but kind of a slowdown where you're not really working a 40-hour week. So you kind of want to save your money for a situation like this, just in case it's slow like it is right now. Fortunately, we're still kind of working, but we're not doing the normal trade type stuff, if that makes any sense. So right now we're just like basically just doing stuff around the plant, like nothing like pipe fitter really related, other than what the journeymen are doing. I mean, we're doing something else. I don't want to really go into too many details. So, but mainly we're just doing maintenance stuff. My advice for this, time of year, and I was kind of told, be prepared for this type of stuff, is just prepare for a slowdown. I mean, there's some like companies that give you off for good, like 2 weeks for the from Christmas to New Year's, or and it's super slow, so you can't get the normal 40-hour work week like you normally do. So it'd probably be best for you to try to save as much money as you possibly can, not just for Christmas, but for bills and all this stuff. But yeah, it's 2 days after Christmas. It's super slow, and it'll just pick back up after the first of the year. But that's pretty much my update of my day 88. I probably want to do another update until next Friday, so that'd be like day 95. That'd be like the new year and everything, so I'll probably have more of an update then. But other than that, that's all I got. So please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you're going through an apprenticeship like what I'm doing right now, and it's kind of slow for you as well. But other than that, I'm out. Peace. Cut the damn camera off, Sean.